Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to show you how simple it is to create, or not create, to use Ansible in an automation process and also involve Terraform in this process. In my case, I have Terraform provider for Proxmox, and I have a playbook, just a test playbook to create or delete a specific VM. You will find in my channel, you will find other videos related to Terraform, and there I show you how I created the Terraform configuration. Nevertheless, today's is about Ansible, and we only have two tasks, very simple ones. One is called create VM, and we just when we execute the command, we just jump to this folder, to Terraform create VMs, because here is my so-called project, and we just execute a command with auto approve to create a VM. And then if you want to delete, we can use the same task, but instead of apply, we use destroy. As you can see, because I'm still learning Ansible, so you can do this in two ways. You can change directory like usual, because this is just a hard-coded variable to the location where the Terraform project is. And you can also do this with arguments and change dir. This is the same as cd and the same path. Okay, so this is a playbook, pretty simple one. I also have a pre-task that I showed you a few times in my videos. I'm enforcing the use of limit and tags, so that I do not accidentally execute this on my entire inventory. So let's start. Ansible playbook. It's number one test, I believe. Yep. And yeah, let's try with nothing, so that we can first check that the pre-task works, and we should be get blocked because the condition was not met, so I did not use a limit or a tag, and I'm somehow protected, because as you can see, my inventory has a lot of entries. Okay, and that was the testing. Now we just limit, and we limit for like 01. That is an item in my inventory, and it's also the name of the licensing server for my Citrix environment. And we just want to create it with Terraform from zero. Terraform will go to this template. It will start a cloning process, but it will set a static MAC address and do some other customizations that are server related. So for the licensing, it will, for example, only give it 2 GB of RAM. If it would be a DDC, it will give it 5 GB. So this kind of changes. And we use tags, because we want to, how was the tag named? If I want to create simple create. Okay, now we have the validation that we used tags and limits, and now the actual process has started. So this is Terraform here, it's not Ansible. We just instructed Terraform through Ansible to do the VM creation. The VM creation takes about 2 minutes. I can show you in the meantime. I can show you the variables. So this is the variables that I'm talking about. This is how the Terraform TF file looks like. One more time, I have another video in which I explain everything here. So we are building this one, Leak01. It will have the ID 501. As we can also see here, it will have 2 GB of RAM, and it will have this MAC address. If we would create something else, then we will have a different configuration. Okay, let's see. The creation process should be almost ready. Let's just wait for it. I believe 2 minutes already passed. I've also created debug task so that we can see what actually happened. So this one, the debug. So we will see what just happened, or the message that Terraform threw out. So this is the entire, this is the normal Terraform information. It gives you all the informations that are available and those that you set, and here is the progress. So I don't know if you can make it, yeah, if I like this, it's easier to see. So it took, I don't know, a minute 40 seconds, 49 seconds to completely create. Okay, so our machine is created. Let's just check it really quick. 2 GB of RAM, 1 socket to cores. I also set that the disk is with write back and discard. This can be set during the Terraform creation, and of course our static MAC address, that should be the same like in the variable files. So EC86, EC86. Okay, that's it. Yeah, this was it. And now if we want to delete that that from the inventory, I mean not from the inventory, from the Proxmox server, we can use the same playbook, but we just use a different tag, and it will actually run the other command with destroy. This would be much faster, I don't know, a few seconds, and it will give us the information that one resource has been destroyed. Destroyed means deleted. And let's see the Proxmox server. Yeah, our VM is gone. Okay, so this was it. Short video. Nevertheless, this playbook I will use in my bigger playbook that creates with which I create my entire infrastructure, and this will help me a lot because yeah, I could also done this through pure Ansible, but yeah, let's use Terraform if we can, and if that through Terraform it's simpler, at least for infrastructure creation, not for configuration, because you still need Ansible to configure it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.